Hello boys and girls, Mr. Giomini. I want to come to you with an example of a two-point response that was actually from the 2006 OAA Assessment in Mathematics. Achievement Assessment, I just said Achievement Assessment. It's from the OAA in Mathematics from 2006. Let's take a look. Again, I'm going to try to attempt to model some quality test-taking strategies here that we can utilize on the assessment, which will be a week from Thursday. Take a look. The original cost of the guitar that Jane wants to buy is $240 in two different stores. Sam's Music is having a sale where guitars are discounted by 30%. Melody Music is offering a $45 discount on the same guitar. In your answer document, explain which store is offering the better deal, show your work, or provide an explanation to support your answer. Okay, I'm comparing two different stores. And I noticed that both stores, the original price was $240. So I have Sam's Music is having a sale where they're offering 30% off of $240. Now Melody Music, they're offering just a $45 discount. Explain which store is offering the better deal, and then show work or provide an explanation. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to have a big piece of paper. It's going to be gridded. I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to put, hey, I have Sam's over here, and I have Melody Music over here. Now, I know the starting point for both are $240. $240. Now, at Sam's, I am getting 30% off of $240. What I'm going to do, I see this word of. Of tells me to multiply. I am going to take 240. I want to figure out what is 30% of 240. I need to change 30% to a decimal. Move the decimal 2 places to the left, divide it by 100. That gives me 3 tenths. Now I could put 30 hundredths like this. I could also leave it 3 tenths. I know some of you are more comfortable with doing 30 hundredths, which is the same as 3 tenths. I'm going to do it this way. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. I am done with that. I'll put a 0 to replace hold the place value. 3 times 0 is 0. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 2, is 6 plus 1 is 7. Add it up. 0, 0, 2, and 7. Move the decimal 2 places to the left. Now, that doesn't mean I am paying $72. It means I'm getting $72 off of 240. So I'm going to take 240. I'll subtract $72 from that. I can't take 2 from, so I make that 8. I borrow 10 from here. This makes it 30 minus 70, which I can't do. Add that 10 here. That's where I got that. So I can't do that, so I must borrow from the 1 here, the 100. So I add here. I now have 130 minus 70. That gives me 6, bring down the 1. So I'm paying $168 at Sam's. Now, at Melody's, it's a little less mathematics. A little less calculations, I should say. It's $240. $240 there. Now, I noticed that at Melody, it's $240, but as I said before, I am getting $45 off, so minus 45. Can't take 5 from 0. This becomes a 10. Because I borrowed 10 from here. I need to borrow 100 from here, so that really gives me 130 minus 40. So I have 10 minus 5 is 5, 130 minus 40 is 90. I get $195. Well, this is pretty obvious which one has the better deal. It is Sam's Music. Now, I just want to double check my math again. Sam's, I'm getting 30% off of 240, so I converted 30% to a decimal. Now, I know that 10% would be 240, so if I triple that, because there's 30%, that does give me 72. Let's go over here and check my subtraction. 10 minus 2 is 8. That becomes 13 minus 7 is 6. Bring down the 168. That's good. Now, it says, explain which is offering the better, show work, or provide. I might just put a sentence here, just to make sure that they know I am clear. Sam's offers the better deal. Their guitar is sold for $168, and melodies costs $195. Now, boys and girls, I want to kind of let you see how they score these. So on this next page here, they actually show how they score these. Now, they didn't quite go into the detail that I went to. You see here, 2-point response. The focus of this task is determining the percent of a number to compare two discounts to determine which is greater. The response indicates the greater discount and also provides supporting work or an adequate explanation to support the claim. 30% at Sam's will save you $72. $72 is greater than $45. I could have stopped right there. I actually did a little bit more work than I needed to. Also, the 30% discount is 3/10 times 240, which gives you 72. That's greater than 45. Or then $45 is approximately 19% of 240, because looks like they made a proportion there, comparing two ratios, 45 out of 240, 19 over 100, which is less than 30% of 240. Oh, excuse me. They did a simplifying fractions there, my fault. Or did they do that? What did they do here? How did they make 45 over 240 equal 19 over 100? What is it that they did there? I think they did do a proportion. All right, and then we have, this is what a 1-point response would get, and here's what a 0. Again, guys, the goal right here, 2-point response. That's what we want. 2-point response, you get 100% of the points. 1 point, you're getting 50% of the points. Okay? Hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye-bye.